Today, we're going to be going over how to add contacts to an opportunity in your growth suite. To start, let's go ahead and log into the org. Once I'm in the org, I'm going to go to the opportunity that I need to add a contact to. Once I've gone to my opportunity, you'll notice the related list quick links section up here at the top, and you'll see the opportunity contact roles. From here, you'll be able to see any contact roles that are already added to the system, and as well as be able to add new ones. So we can click on the new button, and this will allow us to search for contacts in the system and add them to our opportunity, as well as select which role they're playing in this opportunity. Contact roles tend to be customer contacts. They're not usually internal contacts that are helping you work on this. They're designed to be customer contacts. Once we have selected our contact in their role, we can click Save. And now that contact has been added to the contact role section. And that's how you add contacts to an opportunity.